In the popular book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, there are 5 key lessons that can change your view on money and wealth. Lesson number 1 is that the rich earn money differently than the poor. They focus on creating passive income, which means money that keeps flowing even when they're not working. This lesson teaches us to look for ways to make our money work for us, instead of just working for money ourselves. Lesson number 2 is about the importance of financial education. The author emphasizes that it's not enough to rely on traditional education to learn about money. We need to educate ourselves on how money works, how to invest, and how to make it grow. By continuously learning and improving our financial knowledge, we increase our chances of building wealth. The third lesson is about the difference between assets and liabilities. The author explains that assets are things that provide us with income, such as real estate or businesses, while liabilities are things that drain our money, like cars or credit card debt. By focusing on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities, we can build a strong financial foundation. Lesson number 4 is all about the power of taking risks. The author encourages us to be bold and not be afraid to take calculated risks when it comes to investing or starting a business. He believes that the biggest risk is not taking any risks at all, as that often leads to missed opportunities for wealth creation. The final lesson is about the importance of being financially independent. The author emphasizes that we should strive to gain control over our financial future and not rely solely on a job or a paycheck. By developing multiple streams of income and building a solid financial foundation, we can achieve true financial freedom. In summary, the top 5 learnings from Rich Dad, Poor Dad are the importance of creating passive income, the value of financial education, understanding assets and liabilities, taking calculated risks, and striving for financial independence. These lessons provide valuable insights on how to manage money and build wealth.